Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a website from Odoo. First of all, you have to come on this website. After that, you have to click on this profile icon. From there, you have to go to my database. After that, you have to click on connect and go to setting. After that, you have to scroll down in the general settings. See if your developer mode is active or not. if if it is showing this type, just click on this. It will activate the developer mode. From there you have to save and going back. From there you have to choose a website. From here you can go to configuration, and from there you have to choose website. From now, for example, I have only one website. I will just simply click on this and take action. Click on this action, you will get to see this delete option. Just simply click on that. It will delete the website. Uh, uh, it will show a warning, a pop-up. Now here you have to click on delete. From there you can just simply delete all the data, all the whatever records you have keeping in website. It will delete automatically as the website as well as. So if this video found helpful or informative, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.